Steps to make Moroccan Harira. Browning the meat. Gather the ingredients. Heat the oil in a 6-quart or larger pressure cooker on medium-high. Add the meat. Cook for a few minutes, stirring to brown all sides. Making the stock. Add the pureed tomatoes, salt, turmeric, parsley, cilantro, celery, black pepper, cinnamon, ginger, onion, and chickpeas. Stir and add 3 cups of the water. Cover tightly and heat over high heat until pressure is achieved. Reduce the heat to medium and cook for 20 to 30 minutes. Remove from the heat and release the pressure. Making the soup. Add the lentils, tomato paste mixture, and the remaining 8 cups of water. Cover the pot and heat the soup over high heat until pressure is achieved. Reduce the heat to medium and continue cooking. If using vermicelli, cook the soup on pressure for 45 minutes. Release the pressure and add the vermicelli. Simmer the soup, uncovered, for 5 to 10 minutes, making the soup thickener. Gather the ingredients. While the soup is cooking, make a soup thickener by mixing together the flour and water. Bring the soup to a full simmer. Pour in 1/4 of the flour mixture. Stir constantly and keep the soup simmering so the flour doesn't stick to the bottom. Simmer the thickened soup, stirring occasionally, for 5 to 10 minutes to cook off the taste of the flour. Remove the soup from the heat and serve. Garnish with chopped parsley or coriander. May you enjoy. That's all folks for now. If you have any ideas of what you would like to see next, feel free to comment.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And smash that subscribe button.